Do you struggle with doing your eyes from eyeshadow to eyeliner? I know, it's the worst. It's so difficult. First of all, trying to figure out the right colors that work for you and then mixing and matching and then applying them, it is not easy. I'm going to show you two different eye looks that you can use just using the things that are currently in your palette. And guess what? I didn't know how to do this before. I would just get that simple little palette that had like the 4 colors or the 3 colors, and it was always a neutral. It was like a light cream, a mid-tone brown, and then like a dark brown. Well, when I discovered Seint, I opened up so many things for me as far as eyeshadows are concerned. I am going to show you. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. Look at all these eyeshadows that I have. I mean, yeah, that's not what you expected, right? Now I have all of these fun eyeshadows and I have a lot of fun playing with them. And it's not just the simple cream one with the mid-tone and then maybe a dark. But I want to show you, you don't have to go into this big of a palette, this many colors. This is, I know, it seems a little crazy, but I do this for a living, and so that is why I've gotten really excited about eyeshadows. But the old me, no way. That was so not me. It has been a 2.5-year journey to get to this part, and I promise you it is easy and fun, and you don't need a lot of products, and you can use just what's in your palette. So when you get your color match from me, I will show you exactly how to do it and explain how easy it is. So what I do is I take my contour and use that as my eyeshadow. This is my original palette. These are the colors that I bought. I did not get an eyeshadow. I got my 3 main shades, my lightest, my color corrector, my main color, so concealer, color corrector, and then foundation color. This is my contour. And on the bottom layer, I have a bronzer, an illuminator, and a lip and cheek. The crazy thing is, you can use these for eyeshadow. I know, it's crazy. Who would have thought? So I'm going to show you 2 different eye looks that you can use just using the things that are currently in your palette. Are you ready? I know, it's so much fun. So what I like to do is I like to go in with my finger because, again, when I got my makeup, I only got these 2 brushes. I was not a big makeup girl. I did not have a pile of brushes in my drawer or in my makeup bag because I just didn't use brushes. I didn't do eye makeup. I didn't have an eyeshadow brush. So what I learned is I could go in because I wanted a little something. So I went in with my finger just like this, and I picked up a little bit of the contour, and I would go in and just place it on the outer corner of my eye just like this and add a little color. And if you can see, and I would go up a little bit into my brow bone like that. You see that? So that's my eyeshadow, and then I would go on the bottom layer and I would go into the illuminator. It's got a little sheen, and I would use that right in here to give me a little color. It's so natural, it's so pretty. And then I would take a little extra and I would put it up here on my brow bone like this, and that was my eyeshadow. That's look number 1. Let me show you look number 2. This is my eyeshadow. This is my lip and cheek. This is called Nude, and you can do the exact same thing. Just be careful because Nude is very soft, so you could use one of your lip and cheeks like this and just do the same thing on this side. And again, it's more of a sort of natural blush tone. Just be careful. You can always wipe it off if you feel you got too much on. So there's that, right? And then go into the illuminator and put it like this. I do have my mascara on. And there is your eyeshadow. I mean, it's so simple, and it's right here in your palette. So don't be scared of eyeshadow because you can use your finger if it is warm to your touch, your contour and your illuminator. It's really easy to smudge on. There's no rules. You don't have to you can just do a little bit. You can do it all across. I just like to do a little bit on each corner and then do the illuminator. So what do you think? Do you think you can do that? It's so easy. and fun. So everything you need is right here, and it's in your color palette. So if you would like your own custom color match, please go below in the description. I'll link it there. If you want to use your makeup as eyeshadows, let me know that, and I'll make sure that you get a lip and cheek and a contour that's going to work for your skin tone. And have fun with it. It's makeup, and it's meant to be simple and fun, and you can't go wrong if you just do a little bit on each corner, add a little illuminator, and you're out the door in no time at all. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick tip and how to use your makeup in other ways. Thank you so much for being here. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.